Alex? Alex. Alex. What? You took this up? What is it now? Okay, okay. No, I shouldn't have it. 2 hours? Well, I looked over in the morning. Maybe we don't do. I don't know what, but I did. What's going on?
Hey, can you put it down there?
Marty! Marty! Marty!
Where we go?
Oh no! What are we gonna do? We gotta call somebody. Maybe by now we're gonna need. Hello? Listen, we can't call people. They'll be really mad. They'll get Marty transferred for good. You know what man that feeds you?
I know that's right.
We gotta go after him. Go after him? He's not thinking straight. We gotta stop him from making the biggest mistake of his life. He's probably out there lost, cold, confused. We're